Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So as we mentioned last night, we had thin gamma on the board, which means price can sometimes move rapidly in either direction, which it did today. Big move down, big move up. Calls overweight puts for a good portion of the day, but as we mentioned in one of our tweets, a large portion was Google Leaps, and that makes a lot of sense in AH as it got some good news from some court decisions and some judge rulings, and now it is up quite a bit. We did finish with a small green DEX. Moving on now to our whale targets and our customer sentiment. Customers got even more bearish today, even on that retrace from that pop we got today, and we lost our 625 lower whale target. Now we're at 630 and then an upper of 644, so keep an eye. That range is tightened by a little bit for now. We'll see if that 650 manages to pop back up, or if we see any lower levels, we'll obviously cover it every night right here. Jumping into our gamma, we're sitting right around here at 642. Let me zoom in so we can all get a better look here. We're sitting right around here at 642 in the overnight session. Doesn't matter if we're not trading futes. Have some positive levels to contend with up above. 648, 645, those existed before, if you remember correctly. Those were in last night's video, so those are still there. And now we've got this 642. We're just right around this spot. Biggest pull on the board on the ag is 640. Still very thin on the downside. Not saying we go all the way to 625, but it's somewhat thin that direction and a little bit more congested up into these areas here with these big positive levels. Let's zoom out, check tomorrow, zoom back in, and then get you all out of here so you can enjoy your evening. So tomorrow, we're sitting right around 640 as the biggest pull, very thin, all the way from 626 really up to 647. So another thin day. This big positive cluster right here would be tough to pass, so we need to ramp up, up, and up to retrace up into the 656 area. That'd be a pretty big move either way if we went down to 626 or that big pull. So we'll keep an eye on this range right here for now, this 640 up to 647 if we have a bullish day, and we'll keep the idea of 640 down on into 0636-ish if we have somewhat of a bearish day. That'd be a $4 or $5 move either direction on thin gamma, so all of it is somewhat possible. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.